Oh, Palm Beach Tower, Jet 151, 13 miles out, visual 10 left.
Jet 151, Palm Beach Tower, 10 left, clear to left.
Clear line, 10 left, Jet 151. I want you guys to grade this landing. My friend's flying is his birthday, so we have to, you have to judge him harshly if it's bad.
Very well.
Everybody watch. Ha.
Jet 151 up here, a quarter mile left of course and correcting.
Yeah, it's not good. It's not starting well. Yeah, they gave us direct sizer and clear to the visual.
Oh.
I feel the judgment already. This is good. Well, that was not good.
Jet 151, at least you made the left for Foxtrot. Skyhawk would have made it here sooner though.
Well, you see it broke all the champagne in the back. Jesus.
Very well. Ground point out, Jet 151.
Yeah, whiplash. Thanks. Jet 151, clear and Fox Charlie to NetJets.
Jet 151, Palm Beach, taxi via Fox Street.
Call ambulance for me. I broke my back.